start?
I now request Professor Munibhar.
I was very much inspired by what the team had to offer to us, not only in terms of medical services, but in terms of the cultural heritage, especially in terms of music. And a bit disappointed that not many people have turned up, but nevertheless, it doesn't matter. I'm sure all of you have very close ties with the Indian music, especially what you're going to witness today. I can assure you every second that you spend in this hall will be worthwhile and will take you back to India. And as I learned, music allows us to get into our own selves and enjoy the serenity that only music can give to us. And so with those words, I welcome you all to Ba. And the discussions that we had with the medical team clearly indicates that we have health issues in the country, and we are very much grateful for the team who have been here and traveling around the country doing free screenings, and I'm sure the people will greatly benefit from him. One thing that has arisen from the discussions that I have had with the team is the fact that we need to create more awareness about our health issues, and Professor was just telling me cardio is an issue in the country, women's issues, and of course health issue is something that we all need to be concerned about. If each one of us can encourage those around us, our family members, to have early screenings and early tests with the available resources that we have here, I'm sure we will be able to solve a lot of problems. Another issue that has come about is the fact that there's very late detection of diseases and conditions that we have. And if we can create more awareness, if we can go back, like I said, within our organizations, within our communities, if we can spearhead the awareness programs, I'm sure we will be able to save valuable lives, and that definitely will do wonders for our families and our societies. To the team, I'm sure Fiji has given you new experiences. That's how we Fijians are. And when we look at the late tingling of guests, we are still on Fiji time. That's one thing that we can't get out of us Fijians. We walk on Fiji time. And a lot of discussions has also shown us that we Fijians also have passion for our music. And I'm sure as the night unfolds, as we blend into the musical instruments and the lovely voices all the way from India, we will appreciate what we have in terms of our music heritage from India and what we have in Fiji. So ladies and gentlemen, I'd like us to welcome the team from India, the medical and the musical team, to our small town of Ba, and let us show them all the hospitality that they deserve. On that note, gentlemen, ladies, thank you very much, and let's enjoy the night.
Kre